Alright guys, we're out here with the Lectric XP Lite. Always got to throw that light in there. And so what we're going to do today is I'm on this side of the office complex, the Popeye side, because the Popeye side is a lot flatter. There's way more grades on the other side. So what we're going to try to do is try to ride it without any assist. Okay, we're going to have it at pedal assist 0. And we're going to see kind of how long I can go maybe with the pedal assist, with just pedaling. Say, you know, this is basically going to be if you were out there and the damn thing broke down, or the battery, you know, you ran out of battery and you're pedaling. So how hard is it going to be to just pedal? And so we're going to find that out. So yeah, let's get to it. Okie dokie. So we started the Relive app. So, I mean, who knows how long I'm going to be able to go on this thing, right? I mean, that might last 5 minutes. It might be all tired because, you know, I just got actually, this is Saturday. I don't know what the day is. It's the weekend after the 4th of July, so it's probably like the 8th or something. But, or 9th. I don't know, one of them days. But, yeah, I just got done working, you know, about 6 hours, so I'm kind of tired as it is. It's hot as all can be. So we're going. This thing actually seems like it pedals and rides nicer than that damn unusual or whatever that goofy thing is that I was riding around. Yeah, that thing is brutal. So yeah, it's I don't know what the trip would probably be, because I was riding around a little bit here before I started the video, so the trip would already be, let me turn that off, 0.8 miles. No, it wouldn't be. That's not, it'll show on the Relive app. So yeah, once you get going, it's not bad. 10 miles an hour. Then you got to coast for a little bit, you know, because your legs start seizing up like mine do. Of course, you know, you got to take into consideration my age, of course, because I am an old geezer. But I guess, yeah, you could, this is doable for a while. It's not like it's killing me or anything. I mean, I wouldn't want to do it for a long period of time, but I guess if you were stranded, and you didn't have a choice, I mean, I guess it's a doable thing. I'm liking this being out on the trail, because that's where I would normally be if I was going to have some kind of breakdown like that. And that's all flat. Okay, so there's no grade on the trail. 1%, you know, that's about it. And then coming back is minus 1%. And coming back is where you would probably most likely run out of battery, not going out. So yeah, it's not too bad just to go without. It's way easier than the XP, the first one, the 1.0. It's way easier to pedal than that thing was. And that thing had the gears. So I've went a half a mile already. Yeah, so it's a doable thing, you know. I actually think it pedals better than the Jetson or the fake Jetson. What you want to do though, you know, when you're doing this is you want to stay off the grades, of course. You want to be getting involved in any of this hill climbing stuff. Okay, so you want to stay in the flat surfaces if all possible. I'm going up a little grade right here, but it's very slight, so. And I guess if you wanted to get up, stand up and pump it real good, you probably could. Yeah, it's definitely a doable thing if you get stranded or run out of power. You can make it back. Don't panic. Yeah, I think when I did the Ancheer test like this, I gassed out way before this. I don't think I lasted that long on there, to be honest. Let me stop for a sec and get a drink. This stuff's pretty good here, actually. The cap don't screw on that hot. Let me see how far we went. 1 mile, exactly. Okay. So, I'm just gonna go for another minute just to make sure it's a complete mile. Sometimes that thing's a little off. So, So it wasn't too bad. Believe me, I could probably do, believe me, I could do another 5 miles easy. No problem. Not today, because I'm tired from working, but if it was a day I wasn't working and I was out on the trail stranded, I could do 5 miles on this. You know, I would just take a break every mile, that's all. Take a little 5-minute break. So yeah, it's a doable thing here, guys. Alrighty. Well, at least we know that. Alrighty, I'm gonna wrap it up. Wrap it up. Alright guys, I'm taking off, man. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.